Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately in this device we've got this built-in option to virus scan it. So let's open the settings first of all, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the device care. Let's tap. Then let's tap on App Protection and tap on Turn On. Tap on Turn On and then tap on Scan Tablet. And as you can see, your device will scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses or malware. And of course, give it a time, because as you can see, it could take some seconds. So after scanning, your device will show you the results, whether everything is alright or not. In the case that it will find something which is suspicious and it thinks that you need to take action, it will show you the relevant information about it and then guide you through all of these steps which you have to take to just get rid of the threat. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.